This is Mike Lombardi, and I'm dispatching from a Lofton Pier, Newport, Rhode Island, which is such an interesting place. I was first introduced to the pier while doing some construction on the pier and repairing portions of these timber structures, pilings, cross members, wave fences. Then over the years, I've gotten involved in some scientific work that's taken me to the pier. That's actually quite interesting. So according to a study from the University of Rhode Island, there's more than 1,000 tons of microplastic particles just in the superficial layers of Narragansett Bay. That's come from us. That's come from our activities, our industrial practices, intentional and unintentional dumping. There is a fair bit of marine life here around me. This is a very feisty spider crab. He's really not happy that I'm harassing him here, but he's a really feisty spider crab that makes his pier home. And at the same time, here's actually a little, ow, he's got me good. He's really unhappy. I'll let him go if he lets go of my glove. And then we have this little neck clam, which I pulled out of the bottom. So these piers really represent the interface of human development and industrial development with the oceans. So of course this pier is not natural, it was built for man-made purposes. And on one hand you'll see that there is a fair bit of marine life, but on the other hand you'll see that there's a lot of garbage. So just one example is this tire. It's going to make a mess as I pick it up, but you can see this tire that's just laying here. It's been discarded or fell off the road, eventually ended up here underwater. In addition to bulk debris like tires, cell phones, and other types of large plastic pieces, this pier has been the subject of a number of studies on a species called Astrangia poculata, or the northern star coral. It's a cold water coral, very similar to the reef-building corals of the Caribbean. The colonies are fairly discreet. They lay relatively flush, but they are here among these other encrusting animals. But what's interesting about Astrangia is, according to an article in National Geographic a few years ago, Astrangia itself actually favors consuming microplastic particles. So by doing that, it becomes an interesting indicator of how much pollution is in the environment. So work has been conducted on this right here at Lofton Pier by researchers from Boston University as well as Roger Williams University, both of which I provided samples to over the last decade or so. Just remember that it's our activities and our actions that ultimately impact the health of the oceans and consequently the health of us.